experienced passenger and the RoRo European AB to Embark 1412. We have negotiated with the ship owner, as most of you don't have experience on board passenger or RoRo ships. So instead of 3,000 euros, an AB certification STCW 2.4 or 2.5. If you don't have experience because you come from a cruise ship, but you want social security, you want to sail closer from home because you are from Croatia, Slovakia, you are from Latvia, Poland, Spain, Portugal, Bulgaria, Romania, anywhere within the European Union exclusively, but you have no experience if you are on board the small little general cargo ships with no social security, and if you have no collective bargaining agreement valid. Today this is Italian collective bargaining agreement. If you have no English, then this is the place for you to embark. If you are on board the fishing ship down South Pacific, South Indian Ocean and so on, please apply. And then we have negotiated 2,500 euros as ordinary sailor on board, and then whilst you are on board you can learn Italian because security and operational reasons. Once you do know the Italian language, you can promote to AB very easily, and then perhaps it is the step that we could generate in order to generate a lot of jobs. We're talking about 1,000 approx jobs we are needing urgently. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Like and subscribe. Bye.